Hi, everybody. The 4th of July, as you know, marks an important day. It's also the day of American independence, but for us in India, it marks the celebration for a very important day for elephants. It is Raju's Day of Freedom. My name is Karthik Satyanarayan, and I'm the co founder and CEO of Wildlife SOS. Today, on Raju's 6th rescue anniversary, I'm here to give you all a little glimpse into his life and his 6-year-long journey with us at Wildlife SOS. Raju today lives at the Field of Dreams in the Elephant Conservation and Care Center in Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. We will be shortly joined by our team and Raju at the Field of Dreams as we give you all a chance to meet him, see him at close quarters, and see how he is doing. In 2014, Wildlife SOS learned about Raju's heartbreaking condition. Raju was a begging elephant working for processions, weddings, temples. The jab of a bullhook and the exhausting routine of walking on these hot streets across India took a severe toll on his health. He would wear spiked chains and anklets that would pierce through his skin and cause chronic injuries and abscesses which were oozing with pus. Raju suffered immense psychological and physical torture for over 50 years of his life. With the dedicated care and treatment provided by the Wildlife SOS expert team of veterinarians and elephant care staff, Raju is regaining his strength and continues to live a comfortable life with us at the Elephant Conservation and Care Center in Mathura. I would be lying if I said we weren't pampering him every bit. And he certainly deserves every little bit of pampering that we bestow on him. We are now going to be joined by the great Raju himself and Naresh, our manager at the Elephant Care Center, to see how Raju is celebrating his 6th year of freedom. Naresh, can you join us?
Hello, sir.
Hi, Naresh. How are you? How are things at the Field of Dreams? I hope everything is okay over there and you and the elephants are all safe.
Hello. I'm very good, sir, and everyone is fine here. And Raj is also happy.
So we are all here to celebrate Raju's anniversary, and we are very excited to have you all join us for the celebration with Raju, Naresh, myself, and the entire team of Wildlife SOS. So Naresh, can you tell me how Raju is doing today?
Raju is now in the water pond because it is little hot over here. So he's having watermelon and splashing the water and just relaxing in the water pond.
That's excellent. I'm really happy to see that Raju is relaxing in his pool. And I guess it's very windy as well over there because I can hear the wind on your phone. It seems quite hot. Is he enjoying his watermelons?
He's playing in the water pond and happy. And he's having watermelon from so long.
Wow, that's amazing. I am so glad that you and Raju's keeper are keeping him company on his special day. And I'm really delighted that all of you can witness Raju enjoying himself in his pool and having poolside treats at the same time. Naresh, can you also give us a general update of how the weather is and what Raju's been doing other than being in the pool?
Here, sir, we are doing the treatment for the Raju, and the weather is a little bit hot over here, and today is luckily a little wind. So, but Raju is fine, and he's cooperating very well with the veterinarian team to get his treatment because we are doing with a positive reinforcement. So, whenever we do the treatment, we give him treat. So, mostly he like the watermelon. So, we can able to do his treatment with the help of watermelon as a positive reinforcement, reward for him. And he's happy doing over here.
That's excellent, Naresh. Can you tell us how many watermelons he's had today?
He had from the morning about 100 kilograms. In the pool, he has finished about 60 kilograms.
Well, thank you so much, Naresh. Take care. Stay safe. Bye bye, Naresh. Bye, Raju.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all so much for joining us today to celebrate Raju's 6-year rescue anniversary with us at the Wildlife SOS Field of Dreams. We are so grateful for your continued support and contribution in being a part of Raju's healing journey. During these difficult times of COVID pandemic, we urge all of you to stay safe, stay home and take care. Of course, the Wildlife SOS team has been working round the clock to care for the rescued animals. We know you have us in your prayers, but you can all play an important role in supporting the care of these animals by contributing whatever you can. You can also support Raju by considering becoming a monthly donor for Raju. Please go to www.wildlifesos.org/donate and support us. On behalf of the entire Wildlife SOS team and the elephants at our Elephant Conservation and Care Center, here's wishing everyone good health. Thank you, take care, and bye-bye.